Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and positioning the scale. Install fresh AAA batteries and make sure the compartment is secure. Low power causes pairing issues. Place the unit on a flat, hard floor, tiles, or hardwood because uneven surfaces distort readings. Once done, tap the scale or step on briefly to wake it and let it auto-zero. This ensures the first measurement is a true baseline. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled before moving to app pairing. Now you pair and calibrate. Open the Xiaomi Home or MyFit app and sign into your account. The app manages profiles and history. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on, then add device and select the scale model. The app will search and prompt pairing. When prompted, step gently on the platform to send a reading. This lets the app calibrate to your weight and verifies connection. Once paired, check units and profile settings so readings sync correctly. Finish by configuring profiles and confirming sync. In the app, select your user profile, set age, height, and preferred unit so body metrics calculate correctly, then enable automatic sync and health permissions. Monitor several measurements to ensure history logs appear and units match your preference. If something goes wrong, for example, the scale won't pair, restart Bluetooth, remove and reinsert batteries after 10 seconds, and reinstall the app if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.